Dear yogis, namaste. My name is Tatjana and I have been attending Master Jay's classes for almost a year now. And these days I'm proudly completing the Yoga 300 Hours Teacher Training course. There are so many reasons why to attend YTTC with Master Jay, but let me highlight 8 reasons why to do that. Reason number 1. You will not only improve your flexibility, increase your muscle strength and remove any possible doubt regarding asana alignment, but you will also step out of your comfort zone. Reason number 2. Once you learn the remarkable logic of Master Jay's method, you will be able to design any class for different level and specific students' need. Improve your own asana as well as practice of your students. Reason number 3. You will get very detailed know-how how to use different pranayama techniques and how to combine them with major bandhas. Reason number 4. You will improve your own discipline of regular cleansing techniques, shat karmas. Reason number 5. You will gain the confidence to teach different types of yoga, for instance prenatal or power yoga. You will learn how to use yoga for purpose of therapy for different health issues, obesity, high blood pressure, thyroid dysfunctions and many others. Reason number 6. You will improve your communication skills. Reason number 7. Progress. Due to Master Jay's exceptional motivation, support and his great desire to get the best out of every student, significant progress is visible within all of us. Reason number 8. You will have the opportunity to work with not only one but 2 Grand Masters. Thank you, Master Praveen, for your wonderful classes. And thank you, Master Jay, for convincing me that no goal is distant. The beauty of all this, my dear yogis, is that you will want to learn more and more. I'm looking forward to attend Advanced Flexibility course starting this Saturday, February 6th. And you?